Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Umunikaya Aliyu from Recipe Box NG. So in today's video, I'll not be sharing any recipe with you. As you've seen in the thumbnail and the title, today I'll be sharing with you how to make this very easy and cute gift or packaging box for your cookies, your cakes, anything you have. So let's get started. First, we'll be needing a cardboard paper, not the very strong one. This is flexible, but it's strong enough to hold something in it. Then we need a ruler, a pair of scissors, a measuring tape, a glue gun. If you're not familiar with this, you don't have to use this. You can just use any glue that you have. This is what I have. This is what I use at home all the time. So you need a pen or a pencil. Here I have some ribbons I can use for decoration and then some flowers also. Before we start, I'm going to plug in my glue gun, so just to let it get hot. For the first box, I will need a paper that is 20.5 by 12.5 inches. So I'm going to set that on the table. Then we're going to take 3 inches from each side of the paper. Just use your pen and mark 3 inches on all sides. Mark at least 3 points, that way you're sure to draw a straight line. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell notification. That way you'll be notified every time I upload. If you've been here with me, welcome back and thank you. Then we'll use a straight edge, which is our ruler of course, to draw a straight line across all points. We repeat this process on all sides of the paper. We are done with this step. Next thing we do is to pick this shorter side, this shorter edge, and then fold it over so that the edge sits on this line. Then press on the fold to make a crease. Open it, then pick the other side and fold it over. Place the edge right on the other line as well. Press on the fold and make another crease. Now that's done. We use our ruler. Place it right on the lines we've drawn before. Then fold the edges over it to make a crease. We're going to do this on all the lines we've drawn before. The next thing now is to use our scissors and cut the short creases on the long side of the paper. Do not forget the middle creases we made. We're going to have 4 cuts on the long side of the paper. 4 cuts. Now that our glue gun is already hot, as I said, you can use any glue that you have. It doesn't have to be this. Fold this side over, add some glue on it and attach it to the next piece. Make sure the edge of the glued side sits on the line or crease we made. We're going to turn this and do this on the other side. Turn to the other part of the paper and also do the same. Put some glue, attach it to the piece next to it. Other side again, put some glue and attach it to the piece next to it. Our box is coming together. So for the middle pieces, fold them in and add some glue on it, on both sides at the same time. Pick them up and glue them to one side of the box, just one side of the box. That is it. Our first box is ready. So this is the box right here. These boxes are really cute. You can put anything in them. They are very easy to make. It doesn't have to be food. So regardless of what you do, as long as you're generous enough to give something, this tutorial is for you. But as you know, this is a cooking channel, so we will only be boxing food. Or an apron. Okay, now that I'm done, I'm going to add some crinkle cookies in this. And I have a recipe for these crinkle cookies coming up very soon on this channel, so make sure you do subscribe right now. If you have not done that, please do that right now. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification. You do not want to miss the recipe on this. You definitely do not want to miss this. So after that, I'm going to cut a ribbon. This ribbon is 2 yards long. I will fold it in 2 and place the middle point of the ribbon on the midpoint of the box. Take it around, make a twist and bring it back forward again. After this, I'm just going to make a knot. I am not really sure what I'm doing here, so I'm just do something nice, something fun. So I started like a bow, but then just twisted everything around, put them in together. And yes, I have something looking so cute right here. Our first gift box is ready. So moving to the next one, it's not going to be as deep as this one, but a bit wider. So we need a cardboard paper that is exactly like the first one, which is 20.5 by 12.5 inches. So for this one, I will be taking 2 inches off each side. So just 2 inches, not 3 inches like the first one. I'll go take those measurements and I'll be back. So pick the short side, place the edge on the line of the opposite side, make a crease, just press on the fold and make a crease. Then do the same on the other side also. So for this one, we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to make the cut before I make creases on the lines we've drawn before. So just take your scissors and make all your cuts. And then you individually make the fold. Just use your ruler and fold them over. This is actually, since you've already cut them, you don't really have to use a ruler to make the fold. It's so easy to actually just fold on the line. Make another cut. Now that we're done, we're going to use our glue to put our box together. Just put some glue on the first small piece, attach it to the next piece by the side. Make sure it stays together, and if in case you're using this glue gun, it is very hot, so you have to be very careful. Do not burn yourself. Well, you will do that eventually, but then be careful. So I'm just going to complete this box and I'll be back. Our box is complete. You can see this one is actually quite wide, but not as deep as the first one. Add some cookies. Again, subscribe right now. You do not want to miss this. This is like the best cookies I've had. The best. So again, I'm going to cut 2 yards of the ribbon, fold them in two, and then place the midpoint of the ribbon on the middle of our box. Go around and make a twist, bring it back forward again, and then I'm just going to make a bow on this one. So just very simple, just a simple bow, that's all. I am done with this one. We're going to the next box. For the next box, we're going to need a paper that is 12.5 by 11.5 inch, so just 1 inch difference. And we're going to take 1.5 inch off all the sides. With the magic of editing, I am done. We're going to fold over the longer side, so the side that is 12.5 inch, that is the side you fold over, not the short one. So you fold that over, make your crease, do that on the other side also, make your crease. Then we're going to make our fold, make your crease on all the sides, make them. Now we're going to do the cutting on the shorter side, that's the 11.5 inch side. That's where you're going to make the cut. So after that, I'm just going to complete my box and come back. Just repeat same process as we did the first two boxes. To repeat same process as we did with the first two boxes. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up, leave a comment and tell me how much you liked it, and if you'd like me to actually make other videos on boxes, cake boxes for cupcakes, or if you want other recipes, let me know in the comment section. Also, do check out all of the recipes I have on this channel. I have a lot of cookie recipes you can make and put in these boxes. Give them to somebody. They'll really appreciate this. So do this sometime, and if you happen to make this project, do not forget to post it on Instagram and tag me at RecipeBoxNG. So for this last one, I am not going to use a ribbon. I'm going to use just glue some flowers on it. This is quite cute actually. Let's put some flowers. Yes, we are done. That is so cute. I like this one better. It is so cute. So please do give this video a big thumbs up, share with your family, share with everybody. Make sure you subscribe before leaving this video and check out all the recipes I have. Thank you for watching. See you next time. What lies